Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get answers from this new AI feature on Google. So it's called the search lab here. So if you went to AI experiments and select start searching and typed in how to prevent bananas from ripening, it will show you the AI answer to it. It says to prevent bananas from ripening too quickly, you can wrap the stems in plastic wrap or aluminum foil to slow down the release of ethylene gas. Ethylene is a natural gas that helps bananas ripen and causes them to brown. Wrapping the stems can help keep bananas fresh for up to 5 days longer. And you can select show more here, and they'll also give us a tip here, and you can like or dislike the answer that this AI gave. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.